So today I want to show you the inside of my house and how I keep things around that I've made to give me energy. So when you walk in, maybe it's a little bit overwhelming, but this is my studio and this is my table where I paint. So I've got a lot of my favorite pieces right here. And the specific idea of my paintings is that they are colorful and energetic, and they give you energy, hopefully, when you see them. So this is a mural that I've done on the wall. And then over here I've got my gallery of more favorite paintings. I happen to love squirrels. This is a hare who's kind of like a creature from my dream. We've got flowers. The pink squirrel. What are you looking at? Yes, here's Momo. So this whole, as you come up the stairs, we've got a gallery wall here. You are loved. This one is Big Bang. We got this from a local artist when we lived in England. This is one of my favorites, Abstract. Crane. So as we go up, basically every inch of wall is covered. As you can see though, there's still room. This is the watercolor gallery here. So basically, to me, too much is fine. There's no such thing as too much. And then a skyscape. Of course, being chronically ill, I spend a fair amount of time in my bedroom, so I've got a few favorite pieces in here as well. So this is a watercolor that took me about 45 minutes. Here's another note too: when you're a chronically ill artist, getting into the studio means like being able to do maybe one 45-minute painting session, hour if I'm lucky. This is the one that's right next to my bedside. I see it all the time and I love it. So having things around that I love, that give me energy, a big part of trying to stay positive.